Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals I snagged over at Walmart and at Target for the week. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. So glad you're here. What I do is I help people save money on the things they want and on the things that they need. And one of the ways I do that is by shopping at different stores, finding the best deals, and then sharing that with you guys. So today I'm going to be doing Target and Walmart. On Sunday, I posted 2 different videos on the best deals going on over at Walgreens this week. So if you like Walgreens shopping or you want to check it out, definitely check out that video because I was able to snag tons of items for free. These items here that you see, this haul was also completely free. So I will walk you through step by step exactly how I did that, trying to break it down so that you can replicate these deals for yourself at home. Now, if I talk about an app that you're not familiar with, don't worry, I have full tutorials on all of the different cashback apps that I use, and you can find those on my channel. You can also search in the YouTube search bar, Saving with Christina, and then whatever app you're wanting. So Saving with Christina Swagbucks or Saving with Christina Shopkick, and you will find my full tutorial on the different cashback apps. That's allowed me to save tons of money for my family. Okay, so a couple of things before I jump into the deals. I posted an article over on my website this week that I'm kind of proud of. And I know it doesn't look like much, but it took me a really long time to put together. It is a list of restaurants where kids can eat for free or for very inexpensive. So pop on over to my website, savingwithchristina.com, and you will see that list there. Feel free to share it with families that you know that have little kiddos that might be looking for a way to dine out, but also still save a little bit of money while they're doing that. What else is exciting that's going on this week? Yesterday, I hit 20,000 followers over on Instagram, which was super fun. I really like the Instagram platform. If you're not following me there already, you can find me at Save with Christina. One of the deals I posted yesterday, and I just want to tell you quickly because you could find this at Walmart or at Target, but the best deal is over at Walgreens. So if you have someone in your family that likes these jumbo snacks, these are buy one, get one free over at Walgreens this week, and they are priced at $4.49. So buying 2 boxes, you're going to pay $4.49. But there is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, and you will get $2 back for each box. So you get $4 back, making your final cost just 49 cents or 24 cents each. Crazy awesome deal. That's at Walgreens. But if you want to do the deal at Target or at Walmart, you could. The price is just a little bit higher at each of those stores. I want to say it was cheapest at Walmart at like $4.98 per box, and then you would get $2 back. So another awesome deal if you want to check out Walgreens this week. Okay, let's start with the Target deals, and then I'll tell you about the Walmart deals. Where do I want to start? Oh, Cool Whip. This one's an easy one. So this Cool Whip this week is priced at $1.50. There is a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making this pack of Cool Whip just $1. And I want to say like 99 cents is kind of like in my head the stock up price for Cool Whip if that's something that you need or use. So not a bad deal over at Target. So this is a great offer, and it was extended through June 30th. So check your Fetch Rewards app for 100% points back on Sabra hummus. You can do this deal at any store. So if you want to do it at your local grocery store, you can. But how it works is you buy the hummus at full price, and then however much you pay, that's what you get back in points on the Fetch Rewards app. So easy freebie. That's one of the reasons why I love Fetch Rewards is because they will pop up with 100% points back on items occasionally, and it makes for a great deal. It's a great way to try out new products without having to pay for it. So check your app and get on this deal quickly if you want to take advantage of it. A couple other deals that I'll tell you about. This one uses the Shopkick app. I always love it when I get produce deals. On the Shopkick app, there are deals for Envy apples. There's a deal for individual apples as well as the bag of apples. My store did not carry the bag, but I picked up one Envy apple. I paid, I want to say it was 84 cents. Let me see, I wrote it down. 84 cents. Then I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app where I got 250 kicks back, which is equivalent to $1. So this made the apple completely free and a 16-cent moneymaker. Now with Shopkick, I then cash out to either Target gift cards or Walmart gift cards and use those to pay for the groceries the next time. So freebie and a little bit of a moneymaker on an apple, can't beat that. But check your store for the full bags because not only is there a Shopkick offer, I also had an offer on my Fetch Rewards for 75 cents back on the bag. My store just doesn't carry it. Okay, hot dogs. I talked about this last week. I'll talk about it again. They are buy one, get one half off this week at Target. They're $2.99. The Shopkick app is giving back $2.64 when you buy one of them. So if you buy just one pack, that makes your final cost 35 cents. Now, if you're throwing a party and you need 2 packs, you can get that second pack for half price, but you can't submit 2 on one receipt to Shopkick. It's only going to give you the $2.64 on Shopkick. So grab one package for just 35 cents. The Hellmann's, I noticed a deal on the spicy mayonnaise this week. This is $3.99. There is $1 digital in the Target Circle app. You'll pay $2.99 at the register. Then you'll get back $1 on Fetch Rewards, so double check your Fetch app, see if you have that offer, as well as $1.25 back on Ibotta, making your final cost just 74 cents. I also picked up this Honey Mama's Truffle Bar, which these are delicious and they're dairy-free, so I love that. These are $4.99. I believe they're on sale for $3.99 this week, but it doesn't matter because I have a link to a rebate where you'll get 100% cash back. So you can find that rebate linked down in the video description box. But I purchased this at $4.99. I submitted for that rebate. I got $4.99 back within like 10 minutes. And then I also submitted to the Ibotta app where I got $1 back for buying it, making it completely free and $1 moneymaker. And these are so good. So be careful because you'll pay $5 and then you'll be addicted to these things because they're amazing. The another rebate deal on the Blue Diamond almonds. Okay, these are $3.69, the extreme variety. I can tell you I will not be eating these. $3.69 each, and you want to pick up 2 of them. There is a coupon in the Target Circle for $1.25 off. So paying 2 of them after that coupon at the register, you'll pay $6.13. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta where you'll get $3 back. But there's also a rebate for a $5 Visa gift card. Again, I will link that for you down in the video description box. So that makes both of these completely free and $1.87 moneymaker. Now, I believe that Visa gift card is only able to be used online. I don't think you could use it physically in a store, but you could do that up to 2 times. It was a limit of 2 rebates per household. So if you like those kind of almonds, great time to stock up because they're free and a moneymaker. The last food deal I did was on this Good Culture cottage cheese. It's priced at $1.49. There's an app called Merrifield, which has some better for you brands, and there was $1 rebate back there. So I paid just 49 cents for this cottage cheese. Now, this deal here, you can do it either at Walmart or at Target, and there's a couple different ways to do it. At Target, these Neutrogena Beach Defense, they are priced at $1.99. I had a $2 digital coupon that took $1.99 off at the register. That coupon was from the Target Circle app. So I paid nothing for this, but then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta where I got $1.25 back, making it a $1.25 moneymaker. Now, the other way to do this is to pay full price at the register, $1.99, then submit your receipt to the coupons.com app where you'll get $2 back, and submit to Ibotta where you get $1.25 back. So either way, you're making $1.25 buying this, and you could do it both ways. So that's what I did. I did it once using the Target Circle offer, and then I did it once using the coupons.com offer. Okay, the pedigree dog food. Again, you can do this either at Target or at Walmart. I'm going to tell you how the breakdown works for both stores. So these little packs of dog food at Target are 85 cents. So buying 3 of them, your total is $2.55. There's a $1.50 coupon that I have linked for you in the printable document. If you use that coupon, you'll pay $1.05 out of pocket, then submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making your final cost completely free and a 45-cent moneymaker for all 3 of them. Now, that was everything for Target. Let's move over to Walmart. You could do that same deal at Walmart, but I was able to get an even better deal because these beef and noodles and a veggie sauce, these packs specifically were on clearance for 50 cents. So I bought 3 of them, total cost of $1.50. I could have used that $1.50 coupon, but what I did on Walmart was I bought 3 at $1.50. I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app where I got $1.50 back, then to Ibotta where I got $1.50 back, making it a $1.50 moneymaker. Now, you couldn't do the deal at both stores. I'm just showing you how it would work at both stores. That offer was a limit of 1 on my Ibotta, and it did not reset for me. So if it reset for you, let me know. Couple more Walmart deals. This ground turkey is a great deal. I purchased the 90% lean, which is a little bit more expensive. You could get the less lean meat and save yourself some money. But what I did is I purchased this one at $3.98. I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app where I got $2.88 back, making my final cost just $1.10 for a pound of ground turkey. I also picked up the Skinny Girl salad dressing. So my store rang up $1.98 still. I know some stores are a little bit more expensive at $2.12. I paid $1.98, got back $1 on the Swag Bucks app, making the final cost just 98 cents. And then a couple more deals. These Poise Daily Liners are priced at $5.46. I used a $2 printable coupon. Again, I have that linked for you guys. I paid $3.46 at the register. I got back $2 on Ibotta, as well as $1.46 back on Shopkick, making my final cost completely free. The last thing I picked up, and I just kind of wanted to have this on hand, was the Febreze Fabric to Go. This is over in the travel section. It's priced at $1.97, but it qualifies for a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making your final cost just 97 cents. So when I add everything up total, it all ended up being completely free and like a $2 moneymaker on all of these items. So those are the deals that I did at Target and Walmart this week. Don't forget to check out that article, the places where kids can eat free. Share it with people that you think might enjoy that. But also, while you're over on the website, if you hang out for just a minute, you're going to get a pop-up that asks if you'd like to be on the email list. Now, if you want to get a once-a-week email from me, put your email in there and it will add you to my email list. I've been sending that email out sometime between Thursday and Saturday. So if you haven't seen it come through yet, double check your junk folder and mark it as not junk. That way you don't miss out on a deal. If y'all have questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week. Thanks.